Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy watching my video and also leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. So today's unique recipe out of the box is delicious tangy lemon rice, a very popular dish and great for breakfast or even brunch or lunch. So let's have a look onto the ingredient list and don't miss out our entire video. Lemon rice can be made just within 10 minutes with very minimum and basic ingredients. Here I've taken 2 cups of pre-cooked rice, any kind of rice, any quality of rice. 1/3 cup of spring onions, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of haldi, that is turmeric, 3 tablespoons of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, 1/4 cup of peanut oil, 2 red chilies, salt 2 tablespoons, hing asafoetida, a pinch, 3 slit green chilies, and a handful of curry leaves. Start. In a pan, just add the oil, that is 1/4 cup of oil. To this I'm adding chana dal, urad dal, red chilies, green chilies, hing asafoetida, and rye, that is black mustard seed. Just give it a quick mix for 1 to 2 minutes to just get rid of the raw texture. To this now I'm adding the curry leaves and the peanuts, handful of peanuts or 3 tablespoons of peanuts. So the highlight of the dish is the peanuts and the lemon juice. So don't miss on this. Now you can add the turmeric and that is the haldi and get rid of the raw texture. Fry for just 1 minute. To this I'm adding the rice. Mix or toss them well. Be easy and be gentle. Do not mash them. Just mix lightly or toss them well. Add the rice into batches and do not overcrowd them, and please do not cover them. While you mix and combine them gently, see that you do not overcook them. To this now I'm adding spring onions. This is the spring onion leaves which I've added. The spring onion leaves have been roughly chopped and it really gives and bring out a very unique taste. So don't miss on this. And now to this I'm adding the lemon juice. Well, I've used around 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Exactly 2 tablespoons I guess. And incorporate it well. Do not overcook them. To this now I'm adding the salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. At this stage you can also be experimental by adding some coriander leaves as well, as many people do enjoy with coriander leaves. So either you can skip or you can add together. And a gentle mix for just 1 more minute. Switch off the flame and there you go. Serve it hot, piping hot. And within 10 minutes, your lemon rice is ready. Serve them hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching.